and welcome back to another episode. We are on Koh Phi Phi Island. I lost my sunglasses, so that's why I'm squinting. It is bright. For the next 2 days, we are going to be celebrating my birthday in Koh Phi Phi. So hit that subscribe button and let's celebrate. Check out this view. It's crazy. Just want to tell you guys a little bit about our trip here. So we are staying in the Katu area, which is kind of like central Phuket. And Jay and I were driving around on the scooter and we found a tour company. It's called G&B Tours, and so we stopped in, we talked to the guy, and we ended up getting round trip transfers from our condo and back to the pier, and round trip ferry to our ferry there and back from Koh Phi Phi to Rashada Pier, and it was 1,200 baht per person to go. So we didn't think that was too bad considering they were transfers. We didn't have to actually drive the scooter to the pier, leave it parked overnight with our helmets and all that stuff for 2 days. So we didn't think that was too bad. So in the next couple of days, this is going to be a chill 2 days. We are going to take advantage of the beautiful, beautiful sunshine and just chill. We are going to tour you guys around through the shops, through the beaches. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to rent a longtail and just kind of putzing around the coastline here and see different bays and different beaches and take you guys along with us. If you've been to Koh Phi Phi, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear where you guys stayed and what you thought of the island. As soon as you get off the pier, this is what you see. Burger King. Just in case you can't find anything else here to eat, there's always Burger King. And there's also a McDonald's, but we just thought it was funny when we came off the pier, there's a big Burger King sign. How Western world that is. Absolutely walking down this little boardwalk here and seeing all the boats in the water. They are absolutely gorgeous. I have no idea why I love those boats so much, but I do. They're so pretty. The Phi Phi Island Hospital is not far from our hotel, so that's kind of handy. Not sure if you guys can see all the little minnow fish. There's so many. Walking along this boardwalk, there are all kinds of people wanting to sell you boat rides, boat tours. You can scuba dive right here. You can do like a practice scuba dive in the little area behind me here, and you can pick up a longtail boat cruise to Long Beach from here as well. And it's a great little path just to get you into like the little towny area. And of course the big ships come in on the pier. Well, our first day was pretty chill on Koh Phi Phi. We walked through the town. We ended up on Long Beach, so we took like a path from our hotel, walked all the way along the path to the Long Beach. It was kind of like some was paved, some was kind of sketchy, but we got here. The Long Beach is beautiful. I met this little wee one today on the beach. Very cute. And I think we are going to head back and look for something to eat and then kind of chill. morning, guys. We have had our breakfast. We've booked our private longtail boat. So excited about that. We booked it for 4 hours and it is 2,500 baht just for a private boat for the two of us. Right now we are headed to 7-Eleven and yeah, saw some monkeys this morning. That was interesting. Just outside our hotel room. They looked kind of vicious. Jay had a couple of 7-Eleven bags in his hand and he kind of was like folding them to put them in my backpack, and then they were right at the cage saying, "Feed me, feed me!" But we had no food. Look how cute this couple is. How cute are they?
Hello, welcome.
I love that. First stop, 7-Eleven for drinks. Yeah. So in Thailand, you cannot buy liquor before 11 o'clock. So it says here, 11 to 14, you can buy liquor, and from 5 to 24, you can buy liquor. So this is how they close it down. It's good. So I want to tell you guys why exactly Jay and I love 7-Eleven so much. So we got these cookies, these dewberry cookies, at 7-Eleven for 10 baht. These kind of are like peak freens from back home. When we were heading to Long Beach yesterday, we stopped at this little mini variety store and they were 25 baht there. So when in doubt, go to 7-Eleven and pick up everything you need, your drinks, your snacks. It's always cheaper at 7-Eleven. Just a little tip.
Orange juice on the bottom and Americano coffee on the top. It's supposed to be a good thing.
Okay, I think we're ready for our tour. We got all our snacks. Jay's got a nice coffee. We are ready. This is us, this is us.
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go, here we go. Yay! So for the next 4 hours, we're gonna be on this. All right, so we are underway. We are headed to Bamboo Island first. It's about 30 minutes away. See the beach behind me. Yay! This is Bamboo Island. We are just anchoring and then we will head out on the beautiful white sand. So just to note that when you get to Bamboo Island, there is a fee to come onto this island. It's 200 baht per person. I don't know if it's because it's a national park. I'll have to look that up, or if it's just like a cleaning preservation kind of fee. So we are walking to the booth to pay our 200 baht. And then we can enjoy this beautiful island. Hee! I think I do that a lot when I'm excited. Hee! This is so pretty! But there's nothing on Bamboo Island. Like, there's no places where you can get food, no drinks, so you have to bring everything with you to the island. And it's just basically a beach day. It's so peaceful once you get back off the water. While Jay is paying the 200 baht fee per person to be here, I just wanted to talk about the boat ride. If you get seasick, and I know some of my subscribers do get seasick, this is not the boat ride for you. I never felt unsafe when we were on the boat, but it did get quite rocky once we got out past Koh Phi Phi Dawn and into the open air. It was rocky. And then you get the other boat traffic too, which creates more waves. So our boat driver did an awesome job finagling through all of the waves, But yeah, if you get seasick or motion sick, not the boat ride for you. How awesome is this? Happy birthday to me, to me, to me. On Bamboo Island. Alrighty, so we are just saying bye-bye to Bamboo Island. Heading back to the longtail boat. This is Monkey Beach behind us. As I try not to fall. There we go, that's better. I don't see any monkeys, but we are not going onto the beach, we're just kind of driving past. What a great day. What a great little tour. So nice having the boat just to ourselves. I see the monkeys. There's no way you guys can see that from here. But there are monkeys on the beach. Cute. This is Nui Bay behind us, and these limestone rocks are beautiful. I just can't believe all the views here. Wow. They're gorgeous. Unreal. We're in the middle, all around us. Wow. Just stunning. I think the word of the day is wow. And look at that. Wow. I think that's all Jay and I are saying on this boat trip around here. It's so beautiful. Jay just said, no, it's spectacular. He's right, it is. It really is. They're massive. Try not to fall down. They're so big. They're huge. Can't believe it. I don't even know if you can hear me, but wow. Crazy. How cool. We aren't going too far in here because it's very rough today, and it almost sounds like a washing machine. Apparently we are going in. God. Oh, so dark, you guys can't hardly see. Oh, there's a little beach. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Definitely feeling pretty grateful that we are able to go and see all the beautiful things here. Gorgeous. Yeah, definitely feeling a little grateful today. And every day for that matter, but unbelievable. So off in the distance here, right on that island there, that is Koh Phi Phi Lake. We are staying on Koh Phi Phi Dawn. Waters are a little rough. But we are back at the beginning. That is our hotel right there, with views of this bay and all the boats. Awesome. Good day. Much needed dip in the pool after 4 hours being on the ocean. Get all that salt off ya. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday 2 days celebration on Koh Phi Phi. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and we will see you guys in the next video, episode 6. Bye guys.